How to find icon size settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find icon size settings on Android phone. First then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one, home screen and wallpaper, and then click home screen settings, and here you will find icon size settings. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage icon size settings. You can make it large or small, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find the icon size settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.